Hey y'all, so about a year ago, I bought a chicken waterer on Amazon for like 30 bucks. And a few months later, after a winter, total trash, broken on the bottom. And it seemed like a lot of money to put into something that just lasted for less than a year. And so I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken waterer for free. Why buy it when you can build it for free? We're gonna Mancycle. So here we go. You're gonna need a coffee can or something about this size. It could be smaller, but you're gonna need something to put the water in. Well, we drink Folgers Classic Roast, super tasty. You're also gonna need some sort of bowl. This is a bowl that my daughter Margot is letting me borrow. You might know it's hers because her name's on it. We don't make her drink though out of dog bowls. This is looking bad. Okay, we do. Anyway, this is really all you need, and I've got a 1/4-inch drill bit. Basically what we're gonna do is we are going to apply the laws of physics to chickens and water. We're making this for my chickens, and we're gonna do this right now. If you have ever taken a cup of water in a sink or in a bathtub and filled it up with water and inverted it and started to pull it out of the water, you know that the water inside of the cup kind of holds because there's no air to replace the water in the top of the cup, and it'll hold that way until you breach the surface of the water. Well, we're gonna apply that here. The little holes in this container are going to allow water to release inside of the bowl, and by the time we're done, it's gonna look like this, but not all the water will escape. It will only escape until it gets above the holes. So, here we go. For starters, we're gonna drill maybe 1 or 2 holes, maybe 3 holes, it doesn't really matter, into the coffee can, but we're gonna make sure that those holes don't sit higher than the top of the bowl, or it's all just gonna bleed out. So I'm gonna keep them kind of low, about 1 inch high. Almost forgot the safety. Safety first, right, Brid? So there's a hole there. I'll put another one on the other side. Okay, just a couple holes. Fill it up with water here. I'll show you how it works. So when you tip this thing over, that's the only tricky part. You want to make sure it's nice and tight so you don't splosh everywhere. Okay, and there we go. That's the chicken waterer. They'll drink it down, and when that water gets below the line of the drill holes, it'll continue to refill, and it keeps it clean because all the water's inside here, and they might make a little mess in it, but you can clean it out every day. All right, easy chicken waterer for free.